Port Everglades, everyone. Ready to go on Wonder of the Seas, the biggest ship in the world. Pretty busy here at the entrance of the Port Everglades.
First port we've been to that we had to show IDs and get our vehicles looked at.
It's official, the beauty is right over there. We are going to drop our luggages here and then take the car to the parking lot. So far this is how crowded it is at the check-in area. This would be the parking lot 18, but it's full and you have to park on a parking lot 19. There is no sign at all for this parking lot, and the car is gonna be toasting here for a week.
All right.
And that's Wonder of the Seas. From what we've seen at this point, it's gonna be a very busy cruise.
Yeah.
This is the check-in area, and it's pretty busy. Picture time! Wonder of the Seas, biggest ship in the world. I cannot believe we're so excited to be here. And we're going aboard now. It's official. Hello.
Right outside of my number, you'll see all the doors out there.
Okay.
Hey guys, how are you? Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Huge cowboy hat. Hi.
Welcome on board, sir.
Thank you.
You guys got a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There should be a few of you guys on here.
There's a bunch.
The smell of new on this ship is incredible.
Yes.
First one's on board.
Brand new ship smell.
One over to our room now. Everything mostly blue. And we're gonna show you our room in a minute. When I get there. Here on deck 8 we have our room 8652 that I'm gonna show to you guys now. Got this little cutie here on Etsy. Some people say it's not safe to give you the room while you're on a cruise, but we don't care. if you want to come and say hey to us, welcome to our room.
Yes, we got some free hats here, Wonder of the Seas, and some flags. Welcome to the biggest, boldest ship in the world. We're thrilled to have us as one of the first guests to sail on board of our newest ship. Please enjoy this flag and the inaugural cap to remember your time on board with us. We can't wait to see you waving your flag as we sail away on this unforgettable maiden voyage. Yes!
First, show this. The door opens to the outside. You have to put the card here and leave it to activate the light. One cool thing, you can go to the app where it says key and activate your key. I already did here. And you can actually use the app to unlock the door of your stateroom. Here's the AC, and let's check the bathroom. First impression is like a decent size. Hello. And we have the square sink, the toilet. Shower is nice as well. The only product that they have in the shower is this one, which is hair and body wash, so you can wash your hair and your body with the same content here. But I actually bring my own shampoo and conditioner because I like that.
Me, I'm a pretty big guy, and I think it's pretty good size.
Here we have this closet right next to the bathroom. No shelves, just hangers. Here's the couch. More storage compartments here. This one has some shelves and the safe. Two big drawers. They have here this dresser, which is going to be our working station with 2 power outlets. This outlet for the hair dryer, 2 USB ports, the light switch, another one for the hair dryer or whatever, and another power outlet. Pretty comfy chair. And we have this dresser. 1 big drawer, 4 on the side. And here's the refrigerator. And here's the bed. Kind of an oval shape instead of a square. We have a little lamp here with an USB and a power outlet. And some storage right there. And on this side, the same thing plus a telephone.
Wonder of the Sea hats on here, and one thing that we'll be waiting for is to try the bed. Let's see if it's comfortable.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Ready?
Wow!
Oh man,
It is comfortable.
it is nice.
It is.
Get your hands off me, would you?
Wow. Really comfortable. Whee! Guga and Rob approve this bed.
And last but not least, let's check the balcony. So we have this chair that reclines, this little slope here. Same on the other side. Pretty decent size. Wow, and this is the ugly view of the Everglades Port.
To be honest, yes, this port is a hot mess, but once we leave, I'm gonna show everything from the outside and the beautiful ocean for you guys.
So almost a drill here. It's on the app. You connect to the Wi-Fi on the ship and start watching these videos. And then you have to head, Rob, to the station afterwards.
Yes.
Okay, so we have to head to deck 5E3.
after this procedure on the phone.
On their app, go to safety, and then watch the video for life jacket instructions, then play the horn, and then you visit your assembly station.
Okay.
That's it.
One pretty cool thing here, deck 8, the deck we're staying, is the same deck as the Central Park.
Come on. Next one now.
Are we next?
We're next to the other.
I've seen it in so many videos.
Deck 7.
Heading out to our assembly station here, the muscle drill. Pretty easy step here. You just have to come and they scan your boarding pass and that's it. So we're good to go and the muscle drill done. Now that we left that ugly Everglades Port background, let me show you the balcony again with this beautiful view. Yes. This is a great room with a standard ocean view balcony on the starboard side of the ship, and it has a great location because we're right next to the set of elevators to the lobby and where is also the entrance to the Central Park, and it's a very spacious room. Embarkation process ran smoothly, other than that there was a lot of people on the port, but it took us like a short time to get into the ship. And we hope you enjoyed this room. If you want a good example of a great room here on the Wonder of This is for your future cruise, this is the room, deck 8, wonderful, right next to Central Park, like I said. And
Like, share, and subscribe, and select the notification bell to all so you'll get notified of all our videos.
yes, and thanks for watching. Till next time.
Bye.
Like an anchor on a TV news, do like with their,
Like
their
an
hands.
anchor on the TV. Okay, Marla Weech. Ready? Go. Oh, that's gay. That's more gay than I've seen. That's gayer than RuPaul Drag Race.
Amazing time we had, and it was so much easier to go. No.
What are you going to say is the
Started.
word?
No, it's America.
What is
have
this?
Huh?
What is this going to be at the
But
But it was very easy going through the process.
it just repeated what it just said.
What'd you say?
It was very easy.
Oh, okay. All right, go ahead, do it. Say it again. Are this going to be in the bloopers?
No, not.
Bloopers.
No.
No,
Not doing bloopers. Stop it.
Are we gonna do
Take
any
it
bloopers?
seriously.
Are we going to do any blooper? Get the fun. Put the fun in funny.
And using the app, you can unlock the door of your stateroom. And just like this, you can use the app to unlock. See? Uh-oh. Yeah, and just like that, I got myself locked out. It's not working. So clearly the digital key didn't work and I'm locked outside. Glad I'm not completely like undressed, but thank you.
Toilet and not feel like your legs are